Attorney, pero kayo po ba nakausap nyo na si Senator Bato? At ano po ang desisyon dito po sa kanyang sweldo na ngayon nga po binabatikos ng tao dahil 31 absences po out of 58 session days. Simula po November 2025, hindi na po siya pumasok. Ano pong tugon niya dito?
Well, I had a meeting with the family. I think yesterday, one of the topics is yun. And ang amin lamang pong i-emphasize po dito tatanungin po natin bakit naka-absent siya, no? If you know, during his first term, 100% attendance po si Senator Bato de la Rosa nung first term niya. Ni isang beses hindi siya nag-absent kasi isa talaga sa principle ni Senator De La Rosa is really to perform his duty and function as a senator. Maski nung PNP chief pa siya, maski nung ordinaryong policeman pa siya. But now kasi, meron kasing merong threat to his life and to his liberty, and that is the primordial reason why he is no longer appearing now. I mean why he is not reporting in the Senate kasi may threat kasi sa kanya. Sana tanggapin yun ng mga detractors niya kasi we have reasons to believe na majority of our people understand his situation. There is this insuperable cause that there is a threat to his life and liberty and even his property kasi kung dakip siya at dadalahin siya sa Netherlands gaya ng kay Tatay Digong. Tatay Digong, former president na yun, dinakip at dinala lang, hindi man lang dinaan dito sa Korte ng Pilipinas at dinala doon sa The Hague and hanggang ngayon nakakulong pa doon. Sa aming kasing tingin ay ito yung rason bakit he is making himself unavailable now. And if you will note, yung staff niya kumpleto yung mga functions. Ang duty po ng senator is not only to argue personally in the Senate floor, no? His staff also pursuant to his instructions are conducting research, submitting reports to the Senate, no, and conducting their own function as as a senator by way of performing his duty through the production of Senate reports, through production of bills, no. Yun po ang ginagawa naman nila. Nagbibisit ngayon nga walang recess ngayon ng Senado at ng Kongreso. The senators are no longer in the Senate hall. They are likewise in the constituents, no, consulting as to what are the best proposals or bills that can be passed in order for us to solve our country's multifarious problems.
Sige.
Yun po ang nasa tingin namin.
Oo.